Today's Sunday, February 22nd. This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado original Delco AMFM stereo radio with integral 8-track player. The unit's been completely gone over, disassembled, and fully restored for my friend Greg in Chicago. That includes the front swivel spring-loaded entrance for the 8-track cassettes. And everything has been completely disassembled, cleaned, and resprayed, along with the decorative face housing. And the tuning knob, which was jammed, is now fully functional, as are the pre-select dip switches, as well as the AM/FM selector, all of which was jammed and frozen. Okay, so I'm going to do a final reassembly of the unit. And I'm waiting one additional part for power convergence, and I'll be installing that as well and doing a final functional validation test for my friend Greg. Today's Sunday, February 22nd. Thank you very kindly.